Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on Crystal Wolf Gaming, and finally we're actually able to play new games with a microphone, because luckily I now have one. Also a camera will be coming out soon, we're just testing it. Yeah, it won't work yet, we've got to wait a bit more till we can use it. So yeah, today we're playing Teardown. Let's go over to Hollow Rocks and have some fun. So yeah, this is my first video with actually being able to speak on my PC, and yeah, this will be fun because, hold on, now I think you can hear me better because, yeah, you can, hopefully. Oh, I never knew these were there. Wait, oh my gosh, they're actually wobbly. I kind of want to take one. Oh, that was keeping it floating. Oh yeah, they do. Wait, does that mean wait, number 2. If I get out my cables and like connect it to, let's say, just about there, connected that to there, and then through this other one in on that side, jumped on the boat, pick that back up, drag it over and put it on here. So basically maybe this boat won't sink. Let's try. Hit there. Hit front. Sheesh, this boat is strong for how old it looks. Come on. Go down. Bruh. Go down. I don't know how it's doing this, like, usually a boat would have fallen down right now. Would you say a boat would have fallen down? Oh, it flowed. Well, worth a try. Let me just break in here, you know, do some science by breaking it. Don't worry, I'm gonna sail a boat. This works. Wow. We're not going anymore. I'm just gonna leave that in. Let's do that. Let's do that. And then let's flip this shark over. Or is it just a normal fish? I can't tell. Just flip. Oh, there. That one's done. How about this one? Where's its rope? We want all sharks to do this. Right. That, yes, it's off. Now, all we're gonna do is... Wait, actually... Now that the house is burning, let's just open it. We're sorry, fishes. No one's allowed to hunt you ever again. What? Well, that kind of fell. Let's put him in. And let's put Mr. Johnny in. This is Bob and Johnny. Oh yeah, I forgot about this button. That's right. Because as you will probably see, there's a fire coming right towards them. So if they want to have any chance, they're going to have to get in a wooden coffin. Sure, because it's made of wood and wood's definitely not flammable. Goodbye. There. Now they're just gonna live there. In a burning house. Yeah, I'm just gonna... I know I don't want to, but like, I'm just gonna help it. It's kind of going a bit slow. I'm not patient, usually. Circle of fire. And let's set fire to the boat. Nah, this boat... Oh, it is. Let's just keep burning. I don't care about it. My PC is not going to be happy. Let's just do that. I just noticed this. All the on over here. That means you're just that. And no, now I can't actually reach. Unless I put a plank. Imagine if it somehow makes it over the plank without burning. What the heck? Please tell me what just happened. That's gonna be like that. That's gonna be like that. Well, there goes Mr. Sharky, Johnny and Bob. Let's put out the fire yeah. Fire out. Oh, you can't hide from me. Mr. Johnny is dead. Oh, look at Mr. Johnny. Oh, he isn't actually that dead. Nice food. Woo. Can you catch it? Sure. That works. Right, where is he? Yo, did I take his... I took his head clean off. Oh, this is so hard. Just no. Die. Yeah, so... That's good. One sec. I'm just looking how long we've been recording. How would you see that? Is there even a way? Oh, 7 minutes. Not that long. Fine. Now I know how long you've been recording this is. I can just kind of... Yeah. Pop them. I can't believe those are actually... They don't really look good. Let me just clean out this boat. And then leave. This time, let's go to... Pineapple on... I'm gonna go on the train map. Functional train map. I don't know, we can have some fun. We can detonate the tracks. That will be fun. What the heck? I didn't even mean to hit you. You're gonna move. I forgot how to start. Oh, it's moving. Very slow. Pick up your pace there. See? Go a bit faster. Well, it gives me more time to, I need to find... I don't even know if I still have it. No, I don't. Although I do have this. No! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! This train is probably the luckiest train in the world? Oh god. Don't you agree, Mr. Train? You're so lucky. I nearly took out it. Like, watch. So you see this horse right here? Actually, this is my horse. We are horses. We're jumping in the No. Everyone warning, the horse was to death. I did not know it would do that. Let me just turn down the volume. But still can't take down the bridge. That train just isn't moving. Isn't it supposed to be moving? Anyone know? By the way, I'll keep recording, but just subscribe or I'll be mad. If this train is going to fall down, I know what, you should subscribe because it is going to fall down. And if you don't, the person who's going to be right here as it falls down is going to be you, the non-subscribe. I'm pretty sure only about, it's around 15% of people who watch my videos aren't actually subbed. So yeah, go ahead and subscribe because I want to make sure 100%. Oh no! It landed in the right place! Yeah, that's really cool! I've got to stop in a minute, but that was just... Train, you're so stupid. Am I supposed to move it? Like, start it up? Oh, it is moving, but like, as slowly as a train can be. You know what? See? Isn't that fun? I don't think it enjoyed. What the? I can pick up the whole train track. Woo! Yeah, I can't pick up that then. Let's do one more thing. Before I end this video, let's go over to trust me, I have no idea what to go to. Wait, where's Anger Cube? For my last, how long? For the last 2 minutes. Well, 1 minute now. Oh, it's not responding. Wait for a program to respond, please. Oh, there. Probably big friendly, it's a tiny bit more like, yeah. To be honest, I'm afraid to say so, but we've actually done. I'll make another video on another game. Oh, my computer's already dying. See, it's telling me to go. Okay, right. Bye then, and yeah, see you in another video, and let's go do this. Anger Cube, Anger Cube. He really doesn't know what Anger Cube means. Right, let's stop. See ya, guys. Subscribe or else.